everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create stunning logos using a free tool called Ideogram and sell them on Fiverr for easy money. No design skills required. Sounds exciting? Let's jump right into it and see how people are earning hundreds, even thousands of dollars by just selling logos made with simple tools like this. Watch until the end, as I'll be sharing some secret tips on how to attract more potential buyers for your logo design services. First, let's head over to Fiverr.com and search for logo design. You'll see that logo design is one of the top-selling services. There are freelancers who have completed thousands of orders, making thousands of dollars. For example, here's a seller who has over 1,000 completed orders. He is providing 3 different packages of $45, $90, and $160 per logo. If we assume this person is selling on average price of $50, so if they've completed 1,000 orders, that's $50,000 earned just by designing logos. Now, let's talk about Ideogram. It's an AI-powered tool that can help you create logos in seconds. You don't need any fancy design software or professional skills to use it. Logos are always in demand because every business, entrepreneur, or brand needs one. Whether they're just starting out or rebranding, logos play a big role in their identity, and they're willing to pay good money for them. The best part? You only need a computer, smartphone, or tablet with internet access. No expensive software needed. You can use Ideogram for free, and it will help you create professional-looking logos quickly. All right, let's create a logo together. I'll walk you through the process using Ideogram. Ready? First, go to ideogram.ai and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, you can begin creating your logo right away. For example, let's say you need a logo for a pet grooming shop. Simply enter a description like, create a professional, attractive logo for a pet grooming shop called Ava Pet Grooming. Once you've written your description, click the Generate button. The website will then start generating several logo options based on your input. You'll be able to browse through a variety of design choices, each customized to fit your description. When you find one you like, simply download the logo, and it's ready to be sold on Fiverr in just a few minutes. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you have a high-quality, professional logo ready for your customers. Now that you have your logo, it's time to set up your Fiverr gig. Here's how to do it. Go to Fiverr.com and create an account if you don't have one yet. Click on Create a Gig and choose Logo Design as your category. Add a catchy title like, I will design a professional logo for your brand in 24 hours. Write a detailed description explaining what you offer, quick turnarounds, and customization options. Set your pricing for different packages, basic, standard, and premium. For example, you could offer simple logos at $10, standard logos with more customization at $30, and premium packages at $50 with multiple revisions and faster delivery. Add a few samples of logos you've created with Ideogram to showcase your work. Finally, hit publish to make your gig live. Once your gig is live, it's time to promote it. Share it on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. You can also join business forums and entrepreneur communities to let people know you offer logo design services. The more exposure your gig gets, the more orders you'll receive. Here are some tips to help you succeed on Fiverr. 1. Respond quickly. Always reply to inquiries promptly. This builds trust with potential buyers. 2. Encourage reviews. After delivering your logos, ask clients to leave a positive review. Reviews help boost your profile and attract more customers. 3. Offer revisions. To make your gig more appealing, offer a few free revisions, especially on higher-tier packages. 4. Highlight fast delivery. People love getting their orders quickly. If you can offer 24-hour or even same-day delivery, this can set you apart from the competition. And there you have it. You can start creating and selling logos using Ideogram in just a few easy steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.